Are you tired of pests stomping around your garden? Well, I would like to introduce you to the garden mushroom, a revolutionary, self-contained pet deterrent that protects your land so you don't have to. When a pest is detected, the mushroom will deploy a 2-second spray of water to send them on their way. The garden mushroom primarily consists of 3 manufactured parts: a painted MDF top, concrete base, and an ABS water tank. At the heart of this device sits a simple Arduino setup, which controls a water pump and a spray nozzle. The mushroom has a molded concrete base, so the first step in manufacturing is to take our model, split it into our stock material thickness, and send it to our CNC for machining. Using a 1/4 inch end mill for roughing out the pattern, and a 1/4 inch ball end mill for finishing. The 2 parts can be removed, fixed together using CA glue, and sanded smooth to remove any remaining machining marks. The pattern is then placed onto a vacuum forming table, and 1/16 inch ABS is placed onto an aluminum carrier frame and heated in the oven. Once it starts to sag, it can quickly be formed into the mold using the vacuum. Doing this a second time and trimming the excess material will produce our 2 halves of the mold. To ensure a watertight seal, hot glue is applied around the edges and fixed together. Concrete was then poured and a plastic container used to create the hollow center. 2 learning points were found during this process. One is to use a concrete with a polymer blend for strength, and to use a mold release in the bottle or else it won't come out once cured. The next day, the mold can be released and the excess flashing can be removed with sandpaper and a box cutter. And lastly, the holes for the nozzle and motion detector are cut using masonry drill bits. The MDF top is manufactured much like our mold pattern. The slices are cut using a CNC, glued together, and sanded smooth. Because MDF is so porous and will absorb paint, it is best to use a sanding sealer before applying a waterproof latex paint. While this dries, the vacuum forming table is used to create the base of the water tank. In this case, half of a tin can is used as a form. The top of the water tank is created on a 3D printer and then hot glued to create a watertight seal. Following this, all the parts are installed in the concrete base. And there you have it, your very own garden mushroom ready for action. Thank you for watching.